Top 10 medicinal plants in the world. 1. Neem, Ayurveda actor indica. Medicinal uses: antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, blood purifier, dental care. Treats skin disorders, eczema, acne, malaria, diabetes, gingivitis, lice, ulcers. Found in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, tropical Africa. 2. Turmeric, curcuma longa. Medicinal uses: anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancer, digestive aid. Treats arthritis, digestive issues, liver disorders, wounds, respiratory problems. Found in India, Indonesia, China, Thailand, Caribbean. 3. Aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis Miller. Medicinal uses: skin healing, moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, immune booster. Treats burns, sunburn, constipation, skin irritation, psoriasis, ulcers. Found in India, Mexico, North Africa, USA, Arizona, Texas, Mediterranean. 4. Ginger, Zingiber officinale. Medicinal uses: digestive tonic, anti-nausea, anti-inflammatory, immune booster. Treats nausea, colds, motion sickness, arthritis, indigestion. Found in India, China, Indonesia, Nigeria, Nepal. 5. Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera. Medicinal uses: adaptogen, stress reducer, testosterone booster, immune modulator. Treats anxiety, insomnia, fatigue, thyroid imbalance, sexual dysfunction. Found in India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, parts of the Middle East. 6. Ginseng, Panax ginseng, Panax quinquefolius. Medicinal uses: energy booster, immune stimulant, cognitive enhancer. Treats fatigue, mental fog, erectile dysfunction, cold, diabetes. Found in Korea, China, Panax ginseng, USA, Canada, Panax quinquefolius. 7. Holy basil, Ocimum sanctum, Tulsi. Medicinal uses: anti-stress, anti-inflammatory, adaptogen, respiratory tonic. Treats asthma, bronchitis, cold, fever, stress, heart disease. Found in India, Nepal, Thailand, Southeast Asia. 8. Peppermint, Mentha times piperita. Medicinal uses: digestive aid, pain relief, antispasmodic, cooling agent. Treats IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, headaches, nausea, muscle pain. Found in Europe, USA, India, Morocco, Egypt. 9. Echinacea, Echinacea purpurea. Medicinal uses: immune stimulant, anti-inflammatory, antiviral. Treats cold, flu, infections, inflammation, sore throat. Found in USA, Canada, Germany, Eastern Europe. 10. Chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla, Chamomillum nobile. Medicinal uses: mild sedative, anti-inflammatory, digestive relaxant. Treats insomnia, anxiety, indigestion, menstrual cramps, skin irritation. Found in Germany, Egypt, UK, USA, Argentina.